kitchen. Today we're making meat pie. First, let's do the filling. I have 1.5 pounds of lean beef, 1 medium onion chopped, and a cup of chopped carrots, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 shrimp tablet, a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of white pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. First, on medium heat, we add the oil. You can use any oil that you want, and then put in the minced meat and stir until the color turns brown or pink. Now adding the onions and stir, still on medium heat. I'm adding the ginger garlic paste, and with the spices and the filling, it's all to your taste. It's all your choice. Whatever you want to put in the filling, you can. I just added the carrots, the salt, and the white pepper. Now I'm adding the stock cube, the shrimp tablet. I also added off camera 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to make the filling moist. For the crust, I have 2 sticks of butter or 2 cups of butter, a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and half a cup of milk. And then I have this egg for the egg wash. So with the flour, if you do this to measure, you get more than you need. So it's better to scoop it and put it in the cup. And then you use a butter knife. Now I add my dry ingredients, the salt, nutmeg, baking powder, and stir. Make sure it's well mixed. And I used 4 cups of all-purpose flour. All the ingredients will be listed and the measurements in the description box below. I normally use cold butter, either grate it or cut it in pieces to make the mixing easier, because if you try to do it with your hands, our fingers are normally warm and the butter will melt. So I use the pastry cutter till I get a breadcrumb consistency, and then I mix with the milk. With pie crust, you don't want to overwork it. It's not like a bread dough. And then all the ingredients have to be cold. It helps with the flakiness of the crust. I divide it in 2, wrap it in saran wrap, and put it in the fridge. And then I left it in the fridge for 2 hours. It was a little hard, so I tried to squeeze it to soften it a little bit before I roll it. I normally use my little bowl to cut the pie. You can use any lid of a pot, whatever shape you want, you can use. There goes my trusty bowl, and it works perfectly all the time. I had too much filling, so I had to make another batch of the pie crust to make a second batch. I didn't fill the pie that much, so you can add more filling if you want. And then I brush it with the egg wash. The egg wash is just the egg with a tablespoon of milk. I just mix it and use it. And then I poke holes on the pie to vent it so it doesn't steam instead of bake. I bake it in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes. It depends on your oven, and I like it a little darker, so I keep it there a little longer. And there's the end product. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Arigato, gracias, merci.